Okay, let's go take a look at our new and improved mousetrap. See here, I've got two set up. This is a new design. Nothing there. And it looks like we've got a little fellow in here. I don't know if you can see him. Let's take a look. Got a little guy in there. Right here. Let's see if we can. Whoops. Well, we'll get him later. But as you can see, a new design on a swivel there. Let's take a look at our other trap out here. As you can see, I'm right up against a petroglyph here, and this is the problem why we're getting these. And we got a guy here. Once again, that's not too big of a mouse, this one. Get my back in there, Macy. Let's get our handy tool here. This has proven to be quite effective. This is a new design. I took this design and adapted it from a guy who did a video. It's just a little magnet on the end of that pivot right there, and it sticks there. Now let's get this guy out. Get him out, make it a lot easier here. And there, my friends, is a big old field. I don't know if that's not as big as the last one I showed you guys, but once again, like I say, I'm out here against the petroglyph, and this is how we dispatch of them. Just that easy, folks. Build yourself one. It's a lot of fun.